We're the hosts.
How do we compare beach day, lake day, or river day? Which is the best of the three?
Leg day, S fucking tier. S tier. A, B tier. For me personally, pool, jacuzzi, and then beach day by far is that tier. I just absolutely hate it. We're the hosts. The hosts are at the lakes, on those boats, and in those at the apartment complex pools, right? Or anywhere by the pool. Or at the, at the hotels there. You're just surrounded by families. You're getting sunburned, sandy feet, no drinks. Sucks. These are